let me tell you about Project Sibel. I first met Sibel at Dagupan City when I was then division chief. But she was not yet a regular employee then. But I saw that she was very promotable to become a regular employee because she had these following work ethics. She was hardworking. She was honest. She had integrity. And she showed kindness for the underprivileged, which were all of the characteristics which I look for in an employee. And I was thinking that I wanted her to become a regular employee, and also I wanted her to be promoted. So what I did was to mentor her day in and day out, coached her, and made sure she was able to meet her quota, if not even exceed her quota. Make sure that she was able to satisfy the clientele and that she would become a good candidate to become a regular employee. Unfortunately, I left Dagupan City in June of 2005, and she was not yet a regular employee when I left. But last Saturday, that was the 20th of February 2016, at the Inares Sports Arena, where we had our 30th PhilHealth anniversary. We had a special event and I saw her there. She embraced me and thanked me and told me she got promoted. She is now a regular employee and she was connected with the fact-finding division. I was really happy for her because when she said she got promoted and she told me the reason why she got promoted was because she followed the work ethics that I taught her and that she owed her promotion to me, and I felt promoted too. And I said I was then successful with my project, Sibel. Thank you so much for this opportunity.